everyone, welcome back to our channel Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn when lead is generated from Facebook, how to automatically create record in Grist. So let's take an example that you have a car dealership and you have created a Facebook page to advertise your business and you're running Facebook lead ads on that page. So whenever someone clicks on those ads, a Facebook lead ad form will get open. Now you want that whenever that Facebook lead ad form is filled, automatically the details of the leads or the customers should be added to your Grist account. But how to do this? So first let us check this in the real time and then we will move on to the integration process. So this is my Facebook lead ad form where I have asked for the full name, phone number and email address of the customer, and this is my Grist account. So now I want that whenever a customer fills this particular form, automatically his details should be created as a new record here in the Grist account. So let us fill this form first. Let us give the full name as Adam Smith. I'll just add the phone number over here. And let's add the email address as adamsmith25@gmail.com. Let's click on next and submit. Thanks, you're all set. Okay, so the Facebook lead ad form is filled. Now let us check our Grist account. I'm just going to refresh it. Okay, and here we can find the full name, email address, mobile number and created date and time of the customer. Okay, full name Adam Smith, his email address and the mobile number. So now here you might be wondering that I just filled this Facebook lead ad form over here and automatically the details of the customer are created as a new record to my Grist account. So how did I manage to do this? Let me tell you, this has become possible just because of the automation and integration process. So in order to create an integration between Facebook and Grist, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Facebook with Grist automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So first we have to create an integration between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect is going to capture all the details related to the lead and automatically using all those details, a new record will be created into your Grist account. And in this way, we'll be learning that how we can create an integration between Facebook and Grist using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the All Apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on Create Workflow. Here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Facebook and Grist Integration. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on Create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want the details of the customer to be captured from Facebook lead ads. So let's open this trigger window and here in the Choose app, we are going to find Facebook lead ads. In the trigger event, we have to select new lead. Click on connect. Click on add new connection and click on connect with Facebook lead ads. Authorization successful. Okay, and now the Facebook lead ads are connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Facebook account. Now here we have to select the Facebook page name which we have already created. So I'm just going to my Facebook account. Here I have created a page named Card Portal. So we are going to select this particular page. Let us find Car Portal over here. Now here we have to select the lead generation form. So the lead generation form which I have created is Car Portal over here, where I have asked for the full name, phone number and email address of the customer. So let us select Car Portal. Here I have created two forms. So I'm just going to select this Car Portal form over here. Okay. Now before clicking on save and send test request, first let us fill the lead generation form, just because after clicking on this option it is going to capture the latest response. So I'll just go to the form once again. Here we are going to just give the full name as Shikha Arya, phone number, okay, and let's give the email address as shikhaarya25@gmail.com and let's click on next. Okay, terms and conditions for Car Portal. Okay, I'll just click on submit. Thanks, you're all set. Okay, so the form has been filled. Now let us move back to Pabbly Connect. And now we are going to click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received and all the details related to the customer are captured over here. Okay, now here I want to give you an important information that here you can see that the data has captured immediately. But sometimes it may take some time in fetching the data, as the trigger here is polling based. So if your data doesn't get captured immediately, don't worry about that and please wait for 15-20 minutes patiently. The data will surely arrive. Okay. Here we can see a note that you will be required to use RES2 fields which are available in the response for mapping the lead information in the next action step. Okay. So here we can see RES2 fields, full name, phone number and email. So we are going to use all these details to map in the next action step. Okay. So now we want that the details of this particular customer should be added as a record into the Grist account. For that, come to this action window. Here in the application name, let us find Grist. In the action event, we have to select create record. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the token. So log into your Grist account, navigate through profile settings from the account menu on the top right, create or access your API key. Okay, so let's go to the Grist account. So this is the Grist account home page. Here we have to come to the account settings option and here we have to come to profile settings. Here we can find the API key. So we are going to simply copy this API key from here. We'll go back to Pabbly Connect and we'll paste the same API key or the token over here. And now let's click on save. And here we can see that the Grist account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select the team, which is personal in my case, automatically captured. Here we have to select the workspace name. So it is home in my case. It is also automatically captured. Here you have to select your workspace. Now here we have to select the document. So I'll just take you to my Grist account. I'll just close this window. Here I have created some documents. So if you want to create a new document, click on this plus sign, add new, and from here you can create a new document. I have already created a document named Facebook lead. So I'm just going to open it. In this particular document, I have created a table named Car Portal Customers. So we are going to simply select this particular document and table name here in Pabbly Connect. Let us find Facebook lead over here. Okay, and here I have created just one single table, that is Car Portal Customers. So it is automatically captured. If you have created multiple tables, so from the drop down you can select your table name. Okay. Now here we have to give full name, email, mobile number of the customer. So I'll just take you to my Grist account once again. Here I have created some columns, full name, email address, mobile number and created ad. These details. If you want to add some more columns and some more details about the customer, by clicking on this plus sign, you can add it over here. Okay. So now we have to map all these details of the customer over here. So we have already got the customer details or the lead details from the Facebook lead ad form. So we are going to just map all these details now. I'll scroll down. Let us map the full name over here from Facebook lead ads. Full name was Shikha Arya. Here we have to map the email address. Okay. Now here we have to map the mobile number. And at last we have to map created ad. So I'll just go to Facebook lead ads. and this is the created time, so we are going to just map it. Okay, and now let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the response is received. Now let us check our Grist account. Okay, and here we can find all the details related to the Facebook lead ad customer is captured over here. Full name Shikha Arya, email address, mobile number, along with that created ad, date and time. Okay, so in this way we can see that our integration is working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now we have to check this in the real time. For that, I'll again go to the lead generation form of Facebook and let us create a lead on the name of some new customer now. This time I'm just going to give the full name as Kuldeep Gupta. Let's give the phone number over here and the email address. Okay. So I've given the email address as kuldeepg11@gmail.com. Let's click on next and submit. Okay, the form has been filled. Now let us check our Grist account. Okay, now let us refresh it. Okay, and here even after refreshing, we can't find our customer details just because I have already informed you that the trigger here is polling based and it will take time to capture the response. So let's wait for some time. Okay, and here after 5 minutes, we can see the data. Kuldeep Gupta, his email address, mobile number, and the date and time is captured over here. So in this way, we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first, we have created an integration between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details related to the new lead. And using all those details, automatically a new record is created into the Grist account. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between Facebook and Grist using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can connect us to this Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video and this video are helpful for you, then please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.